3 minutes.
Hello, I'm very shy. I'm really very shy. But it's a fun day, awesome. Oh god, your turn. I don't know what to say already. Hi, I'm tired and I have a headache and I really want to go.
This one is like survival, you know. Now my turn.
I'm gonna post this on Facebook.
Yeah. How many things? Hello.
Is it recording?
Yeah. I want to complain. Today I don't have a lot of photos. I took a lot of photos of Charlene and Yongling.
Yeah.
And I'm very shack now. I don't know why they want us to come so early in the morning. When I don't have enough sleep, then now I'm very tired. Yeah, Facebook. Come on.
Yeah. Oh, we saw a lot of meetings at Feng Kuang's and Siling and well from
Roxanne.
and get things over. We're going to protect Mustang.
Roxanne is an elephant. The tail that got bite off.
I was